Hey guys, do you think all weight lossing advertisement are real? No, it's real. If the same face, different dresses, that is morphing. But if the same face, same dresses, that is different technique. For that, in this video, I am going to use two tools, one layer. Basically how puppet walk perform. It is controlling the mesh between the points. Already given small hint on another video, check it out. So what is the another supporting tool? Sorry guys, ready for detailed video? Let's get started. First I take this image duplicate. Alright. Control space, you can zoom it. Control alt space, you can zoom out. Go to edit, puppet warp. Here actually it created mesh. So you can click anywhere, you can add point. Now you can control the point. When you add the second point, that is stable, now you can control the previous point. So we don't want big transformation for face, so I add point here. Now you can adjust the point. So still I zoom it, I add more points here. Later if you want any small changes on your face, you can do it. So now there is no mesh changes on face. That middle of body I add one more point. Now I adjust the point. So top and bottom is stable, but middle of the part you can transform it. So wherever you don't want any changes, first you add the stable points there. I hold shift key and select the both point. Now slightly I adjust the bottom part, because when the girl became lean, maybe it's look like bit taller. So again I have some points on the mesh. If you want more detail, you can go here, have more points. So now you can do more perfect. So I have some points here. So wherever you see more fat, you can add the point. If you did any mistake, Alt Control Z, you can go back. Now I added enough points. In case you don't want any points here, you can just right click and delete it. If you want some points, again you can click and add. So now you can control the points. Look at the background. If it is a white background, it's very easy. In case some changes done on background, no issue, we will fix it later. After that, you want small transformation on face, you can slightly adjust the points. It's not too much, just little bit. After that, hit enter. Now you can see the different. That was previous and this is now. Once done this process, still meshing is not good. How to work for better result? Still the skin is not meshing properly. So what to do that? After that, go to filter, take liquify. So here increase the brush size by the shortcut of open bracket left and right. Check here brush size, density and pressure. Somebody don't have the option here, click advanced mode and you will get it back. Okay, after that just go here, then mesh the area properly. For example, the skin is not straightened properly. Just little bit. Zoom it. Again, you want some changes on the background. Again, you can increase this brush size, then start to apply. Spend some time and do it carefully. Here I am telling the concept about how to work that. So depending your dedication and time, that output result will be perfect. So now give it OK. This was our previous and this is now. I hope you guys are enjoyed this video. See you soon in the next video. Until that, tata, bye bye.